Yield farming is one example of a DeFi investing strategy. It entails lending or staking your Bitcoin coins or tokens in exchange for transaction fees or interest in the form of transaction fees. You're essentially lending money to the bank, so it's similar to earning interest from a bank account. Often referred to as liquidity mining, is a method of profiting from Bitcoin ownership. In simple terms, it involves safeguarding cryptocurrency and receiving the benefits. In many ways, yield farming and staking are the same in some manner. However, there is a lot of confusion. Behind-the-scenes complication. For instance, partners often with liquidity LPs are those who offer money to other people pool of liquidity. The introduction of the COMP token, which acts as the Compound Finance ecosystem's governance token, has sparked interest in yield farming. Token holders get governance rights via governance tokens. The distribution of these governance tokens algorithmically with liquidity incentives is a common way for beginning a decentralized blockchain. Liquidity providers will be enticed to provide liquidity to the system in order to farm the new cryptocurrency. While the COMP did not originate yield farming, it did contribute to the widespread adoption of this token distribution technique. Other DeFi initiatives are already devising novel approaches of bringing liquidity into their ecosystems.